Wow, a Halloween special episode. I don't usually do car trends, but hell, I love my Z and I love Halloween. Put them together and we get this. All of these materials can possibly be under $10. Go to your local dollar store and grab some white poster foam board, box cutter or scissors, and a felt pen if you don't have one. First, measure your grill. Then, draw teeth on your poster board. I've had this in my den for a previous project, that's why it looks weird, don't worry about it. And if you don't want to draw teeth, draw some damn Doritos and you're set. Cut the teeth and voila, you're done. That's it. This is optional, and since I have some cheap red and black paint, I'll mix them up and add some blood. There's a lot of ways to install this to your car. Some people use double-sided or mounting tape, but be careful on your paint. I'm not liable to any damages on your car if you do this. I'll be using white zip ties because where I'm installing it, there's no flat surface for a tape. If you use black zip ties, it'll look like braces. Just a heads up. And that's it. And that's it for this special Halloween episode. If you like this video or this quirky mod, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and then the bell so you get notified when I'm going to be releasing new videos. And you can follow me on Instagram at its.ericvenzon, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.